All right, I got new equipment. We're gonna give it a shot today. I just have my car here. I don't have another car for a couple weeks. Sony a7 IV camera, DJI mic. We're gonna see what it does. So Shine Supply Wise Guy. I remember when this was just a tire cleaner. I don't know when Jeremy repurposed it or changed the formula. I need to reuse this. I just want to get rid of this bottle. Geon tire cleaner. This stuff's okay. It's not the best. Auto fiber something. These guys are new. These are Rag Company wheel mitts. CarPro brush. Again, pretty clean. Tires are fine. Okay, wheels are done. Rinse this thing off. All right, we're gonna foam it with Geon foam and then wash, contact wash with P&S body wash. Oh. Now I'm washing inside, one so I can record and play with the camera without a bunch of distractions, but I also need to clean the floor. So this is a good excuse and a good way just to kind of drench the floor. It's already gonna be wet, so I can scrub it a touch and then hose it out. I don't think I've cleaned the floor in like a month. And then this big old wash mitts, this P&S lamb's wool thing, it's really soft. It's a little heavier just because it absorbs so much water, but it's super soft. Let's see, I have 2 cars on the calendar. We're gonna do Mark's F80 again. I think it's definitely at least the second time, maybe the third time I've coated that car. I think it's the second. And then we have a new client who has a GR86. So both those cars are getting light corrections, Gian mows, and then I'm off. I'm off for July. We're traveling a decent part of the month. I don't want to mess with cars. So I'm going to pick this back up in August. It's crazy to think that's the summer. My daughter starts kindergarten in early August. Summer's gonna be over. It's ridiculous how fast time travels. Time passes. Yeah, this car's clean. Kind of washing a clean car. But I also want to take some pictures. I want to get this thing out and go somewhere and take some pictures with this camera. We're kind of going to let this camera roll. I want to see the battery life. I need to learn settings. Actually, I don't even know what it's recording at. I don't think I changed it from default. So it's probably just recording at 1080. I know it can go 4K 30. I don't think I'm there. We're just trying to get our feet wet with this thing. Okay, so this is a Sidekick blaster. This is a little guy. All right, car is blown off. Now we're gonna dry it the rest of the way. So I'm using, this is Coach Chemi Finish Spray Exterior as a drying aid. It smells good. A couple towels. Just wipe the car off. All right, no pressure. Just finish drying the car. That's all we're doing. It's a big Geon towel. The car is smooth. You wipe it dry, no streaks. All right, the wheels or the tires are dressed. Now we're gonna use, this is the quick finish. This is a different spray wax. We'll just try it. It has a little bit more, or it has more protection than what I used for the drying aid. I really need to coat these wheels. I think I coated one of them and I got lazy because I polished these, I don't know, a month or two ago. I did a video on it. The black is just painful to maintain. I do like the polished ring around the end. That kind of breaks up the color. But I had black BBS CIRs on the S4 for a bit, and they just, black wheels just get lost in the body. That's the downfall. All right, so that's a wheel. Let's look at the exhaust tips. So same story with the engine, the exhaust tips, and basically anything. If you stay on top of it, you don't need to polish exhaust tips every time. All right, so on a lot of client cars, they're just really beat up. So I use steel wool, compound, but if you just wipe them, that's all it needs, wipe them. You're good. Okay, we're done. So we'll walk around, get the squeaky floor, squeaky voice as well. Rusty rotors.